Morning, Agent Energy Carver Clean. Got a lovely Carabic blue Audi A3 2009 model, 103,000 on the clock. I don't see this colour very often, it's lovely actually. No particular running issues with this one coming up on the Diagnostics. The owner booked it in because over time, he's had it 3 years now. It has got noisier. He's noticed that noise level kind of increasing, not quite as perky as it used to be. Wanted it checked out. It had a DPF regen, had to be done on it a few months ago. Appears to be running pretty fine. Coolant's up at between 92 and 97, which is pretty nice on this. The soot content's pretty low in the DPF. It last regenerated about 80 miles ago by itself, I assume. The injectors all look pretty nice, and all the other live data in terms of EGR flow, opening, the rail pressures on the fuel all look spot on actually. Getting it cleaned up now, it's nice and smooth and quiet compared to what it was. Just general maintenance, preventative clean on this. The owner is doing short trips, and that may have complicated matters with the DPF in the past, but all appears to be in good order. Hopefully peace of mind for him, and get this cleaned up now, get that fuel economy back up and get it running like it should.